Okay, so here's another easy tune by 21 Pilots entitled Stressed Out. So I'm going to give you a basic idea. Again, we're just working on elements and not necessarily a transcription. So if you do hear some little things happening in there and you're kind of curious, drop me questions. But for the most part, our basic beat to this, and again, the level of playing for this would be, I'd call it beginner. I'd probably call it beginner. So our basic beat is bass, snare, bass, bass, snare. Now, is there a little bit more to it than that in the recording? There is. But the bare essentials, we can get through the song with playing that, and that really works. It really, really works. The band is counting on us to produce something that's incredibly similar to that. But to give you a little taste, what's happening is there's one more bass drum that's kind of missing in the groove. So you get this. 1, 2. There it is. Bass, snare, bass, bass, snare. Okay, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, that's the basic idea. That's the groove. You'll notice in this song there are a couple starts and stops and a couple other little drum fill type things in there. So if you're looking for a little bit more information about the tune, drop me a question or contact me. Okay, let's give this a go. Pop on some headphones and play along with me. So 1, 2, ready.
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time.
Now here's where a drum loop comes in. So
When the mama sang us to
now here's back to the beat and the chorus.
Wish we could turn back time to the good old days. When the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. We're stressed out. Sometimes a certain smell will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and tree house homes, we all would take the ladder. My name's blurry face and I care what
Back
you
to the pre-chorus.
My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
And stop.
Wish we could turn back time.
Now here's that drum loop again. Same beat.
When the mama sang us to
Back to the
sleep,
chorus.
but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days. When the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Used to play pretend, give each other different
bit of a
names.
breakdown
We would
here.
build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make
A
money.
little different beat here.
We used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days. When the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days. When the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out.
Used to play pretend, bunny. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. Used to play pretend, bunny. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. Used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money.
Okay, so a couple interesting things happening with this. is that yeah, we didn't really talk so much about the bridge, middle part of the song, about that beat being 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, that's something. Also, what's happening at the very end? We didn't really elaborate in terms of song form, but it's always nice to know. Really important for us drummers to know and understand song form, just because it helps us understand where do starts and stops happen, where do we play drum fills, what's up with the outro. An outro different than an intro. How does the song end? Those kinds of things. So if you have questions, please send me a message. If you're looking to get anything more out of this tune, what are some of those grooves? Because the same thing can happen as the song ramps up a little bit, is that if this, all of a sudden there are some other things that can kind of happen in there too. You hear, wow, there's some extra hi-hat parts happening in there. So, or even just parts of that. So. Anyway, so there are a couple of little different things that can happen in that. So hope you have fun with this. Talk to you soon.